Hello cousins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bake Mama Cooks and here I make mom level recipes made easy and I air fry them too. Today's recipe is going to be a super simple, super delicious and refreshing Morir Soñando. What is Morir Soñando? This is a Dominican orange cream drink. All of the ingredients will be listed in the bottom bar, but I'm going to walk you through all of the steps. Let's get right to it. I'm going to start with 1 can of evaporated milk that I had refrigerated for a few hours before starting my Morir Soñando. I'm going to get into the details of why I refrigerate my evaporated milk a little later on. So I'm going to add my evaporated milk right into the bowl, and then I'm going to add 1 squeezed lime. And I like to add 1 lime to my Morir Soñando because I enjoy the brightness that it gives it. It just freshens it up a lot more. And I'm going to whisk it in while I add it so that the milk doesn't curdle. So the reason why I refrigerate my evaporated milk is to avoid any curdling. The cold milks avoid the curdling with the lime and the citrus. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of orange juice. If you prefer to squeeze your oranges for fresh orange juice, you go right ahead and do that. I'm going to mix everything together with my whisk. Again, no curdling happens because the milk has already been refrigerated. So the acid from the lime and the orange juice won't curdle the milk. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of clear vanilla. If you have brown vanilla, that's perfectly fine. I only use the clear vanilla because I don't like it to change the color of the Morir Soñando. I like the bright, traditional, yellowish color for Morir Soñando. And I'm going to whisk that in as well. Lastly, we add in the sugar, and I'm using half a cup of sugar. This is all personal preference. If you have any dietary restrictions, make sure you adhere to dietary restrictions and needs. This was 4 cups of liquid to half a cup of sugar. And remember, this will be bitter if you don't add sugar. So I'm going to pour my Morir Soñando right over some ice, and this is time to be enjoyed. Whether this reminds you of DR or summers in Washington Heights, Morir Soñando always hits the spot. Give me a like if you like this video. Thank you for watching, cousins. See you again next time.